Today we're diving into TREBEL, a free music app that promises to let you stream and download songs without a subscription. But can it really compete with the likes of Spotify and Apple Music? Let's find out. TREBEL is designed to give users free access to music, allowing them to download tracks for offline listening. The user interface is pretty straightforward, which is a plus for anyone who just wants to jump in and start listening. You can browse by genre, charts, or even search for specific songs or artists. One thing that stands out is the ability to create playlists and share them with friends, which adds a social element to the experience. However, the app does come with its share of ads. For some users, this might be a minor inconvenience, but for others, it could really detract from the overall enjoyment. While you can find a decent amount of music here, it's worth noting that not every song you might want will be available. The selection can feel a bit limited compared to paid services. Overall, TREBEL seems to cater mainly to casual listeners who want a no-cost option, but serious music fans might find it lacking in variety. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, TREBEL is completely free, which is a huge draw for budget-conscious users. The offline listening feature is also great for those who want to save on data while enjoying their favorite tracks. However, the app does have its drawbacks. The ad interruptions can be quite frequent, which might frustrate some users. Additionally, the library isn't as extensive as you'd find on premium platforms, so if you're after niche or new releases, you might be disappointed. Another concern is the app's overall trust signals. While it's functional, it lacks some transparency about data usage and permissions, which could make privacy-conscious users wary. So, while TREBEL is a solid option for casual listeners, it may not suit those looking for a comprehensive music experience. Overall, TREBEL is worth considering if you're looking for a free music app without the commitment of a subscription. However, if you're a serious music lover who needs a vast library and fewer ads, you might want to explore other options. Just weigh the pros and cons before diving in.